Now today we will discuss about the categories of matter, that how can we divide matter into pure and mixture. Now see the flow chart first, after that we will discuss about it. Now matter can be categorized into two, pure and mixture. Pure here means, normally we talk about pure substance, pure ghee, pure salt or pure lentils. So हमारा मतलब होता है कि that there is no adulteration in it, means कोई इसमें कोई किसी भी तरह की मिलावट नहीं है. But when we talk about science, pure means that made up of single type of atoms. So pure substances further can be divided into two categories, elements and compounds. Elements की बात करें तो हम iron, oxygen, nitrogen, magnesium, sodium, all these are elements. Why? Because when we talk about iron, it means all the atoms of iron are alike and they behave in the same way. And elements further can be divided into three categories: metals, non-metals and metalloids. इनके बारे में आप क्लास 8 में भी पढ़ चुके हैं. So a short recap of that. Metals which are hard, that are also good conductor of electricity and heat. They have shiny appearance and when strike they can be converted into thin sheets or even in wires, which is known as ductility. And also second category is there, that is non-metals. Non-metals are, examples of non-metals are oxygen, nitrogen, and these are just opposite of metals, means they are not hard, they are brittle, means when they are strike they can break. Neither they can converted into thin sheets or wires, and they are poor conductor of heat and electricity. The third category is metalloids. Metalloids की बात करें तो they are middle category of metals and non-metals. I am not saying that they are mixtures of metals and non-metals. Middle category means in physical properties they are like metals and chemically they behave as non-metals. Now second category of pure substances is compound. Now compound क्या होते हैं? Now sodium chloride is compound, water is a compound, magnesium chloride is a compound. Now when we talk about compounds, here two or more substance chemically combined together in a fixed proportion. So they are प्योर सब्सटेंस, क्योंकि फिक्स रेशियो होता है उसको हम कम ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते. और एंड ऑल द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ अ कंपाउंड बिहेव सेम. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट मिक्सचर. नाउ मिक्सचर, व्हेन वी टू थिंग्स आर जस्ट मिक्स टुगेदर, there is no chemical reaction between the components of a mixture. And mixture is of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now in homogeneous mixture all the components are mixed together so well that they cannot be distinguished. Separately हम नहीं देख सकते उनके components को. We can take example of sugar solution, salt solution or air. Now homogeneous mixture are also known as true solutions. Now solution से हमारे दिमाग में आता है सिर्फ liquid का, but that is not true. Solid solutions are also there. As we can take example of alloys where zinc and copper mix together to form brass. Liquid solution, that is lemonade example ले सकते हैं. And for gaseous solution we can take example of air. और homogeneous को और clearly समझना हो तो air is homogeneous mixture. Why is it so? Because हम differentiate नहीं कर सकते that in air where is nitrogen, where is oxygen or where are water vapors. So इस तरह का मिक्सचर जब हम अलग अलग उसके कंपोनेंट्स को डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते, दैट टाइप ऑफ मिक्सचर इज नोन एज होमोजेनस मिक्सचर. नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट हेट्रोजेनस मिक्सचर, दैट इज जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ होमोजेनस. इन दिस द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द मिक्सचर आर इजली डिस्टिंग्विशेबल, मीन्स उनके कंपोनेंट्स को अलग अलग देखा जा सकता है. इसके एग्जाम्पल में हम ले सकते हैं दैट इज सैंड वाटर और सॉयल में आप स्ट्रॉस भी देख लेंगे. यू कैन ईजिली सी ड्राई लीव्स and some that stones, small stones are there, so that is clearly visible. These type of mixtures are known as heterogeneous mixture, and they are also further divided into two categories, suspension and colloids. अब इन true solutions, suspensions और colloid के बारे में we will discuss in our next video.